Taiwan announced Sunday that it will ban frontline medical personnel from travelling to COVID-19 affected areas. Officials plan to ban medical staff at hospitals from going to China, Hong Kong and Macau. Medical staff would need permission to visit areas with an active travel advisory, and they would need to monitor their health for 14 days upon return. The Ministry of Health and Welfare says the bans are meant to ensure sufficient healthcare resources in Taiwan amid the outbreak. Further details will be released Tuesday.
Amid the COVID-19 outbreak, Taiwan has moved to safeguard frontline medical resources with travel restrictions.
Healthcare workers are on the front line. They're like soldiers in a war. If this situation continues, it's likely we'll see even stricter measures. We'll simply have to accept them.
The regulations will mainly apply to medical personnel working in hospitals. According to the preliminary plan, medical workers are to be banned from going to China, Hong Kong, and Macau. Workers would need permission to visit areas with travel alerts and would need to monitor their health for 14 days after returning. During this period, they would not be allowed to come into direct contact with patients. These measures are set to affect about 32,000 physicians and more than 115,000 healthcare workers in Taiwan.
I think these regulations are reasonable indeed, but it would be a more ideal situation if there were support measures in place. We all consider for ourselves the riskiness of our travel destinations. People don't feel it's reasonable to have an outright ban on medical personnel going places. Besides COVID-19 patients, we have a lot of other patients in critical condition who need care. We have to prevent our medical resources from shrinking due to the impact of the epidemic. We hope that everyone will pull together to get through this difficult time.
The Health Ministry called on frontline medical staff to be understanding of the measures. The policy's effective date and other details will be announced on Tuesday.